Dear student, today we are going to continue the chapter circulatory system. And in this chapter we have already learned about heart, blood and blood vessels. So today we are going to discuss next component of circulatory system is heartbeat. Heartbeat, when blood is pumping through the heart, then the different chamber, there are 4 chamber in heart, as you can see in this picture: left atrium, right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. These are the 4 chamber. So during the contraction and relaxation of different chamber produce a throbbing sound. Throbbing sound means dhak dhak ki आवाज. So produce a throbbing sound. This sound can be heard as heartbeat. One heartbeat indicates one cycle of pumping action by all 4 chambers. These 4 chambers: first, second, third, fourth. So the heart of normal human beats for 72 times in a minute. The heart of a normal human beats for 72 times in a minute. It pumps about 70 milliliter blood in one beat. This means that heart pumps about 5 liter of blood in a minute. Now, next component of circulatory system is process of circulation of blood. The right side of the heart receive impure blood, as seen in the diagram of heart. The right side means this side. The right side of heart receive impure blood from the body through superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. The heart then pump this impure blood into the lungs for purification through the pulmonary artery. This pulmonary artery to the lungs, and in lungs carbon dioxide is removed from the blood and the oxygen is received at that time. The oxygen from the lungs get mixed the blood, and this oxygenated blood is then pumped back into left side of the heart through pulmonary veins. This pulmonary veins, and then the purified blood, or you can say that oxygenated blood, goes to this aorta, and then aorta send this blood to different parts of the body. So this process of circulation of blood is, we can learn by the help of this shortcut trick. The process of circulation of blood from the body to vena cava, vena cava to right atrium to right ventricle, and then what is very important. So how we can make them healthy? First, we can do exercise regularly. Also, we do yoga for the improve health of our heart. As you see in picture, to keep our heart healthy, we can running, we can skipping, and we can do different type of yoga, just like सन सैल्यूटेशन, सूर्य नमस्कार जिसे हम कहते हैं, वो कर सकते हैं और इससे हमारे जो हृदय है, हार्ट है, वो स्वस्थ रहेगा. So today is enough, and for today your homework is matching. This is your homework. You can do it, and next assist your knowledge for this chapter. You can do choose the correct option. As for human heart has how many chambers? 2, 3, 4. Then the right answer is 4 chamber. The device used by doctor to listen to the heartbeat is a stethoscope, not calculator, not thermometer, not telephone. So right answer will be a stethoscope. Now the third question, the blood cell which protect the body from infection are RBC, platelets, WBC, plasma. Then answer will be WBC. The fourth question is dash carry oxygenated blood. Then answer will be arteries, not veins, capillary, and none of these. Answer will be arteries. Fifth number, dash are responsible for clotting of blood. So answer will be platelets. Answer will be platelets. So fill in the blanks and matching you do in your homework, and in next video and in next class we will do answer questions of this chapter. Thank you.